I want money, I want my money, my cards. Help me! Hello my dear friends, it's Ashley again and I'm happy to see you on my YouTube channel. And I think you've guessed what holidays I'm looking forward to. It's a holiday of evil, Halloween. And unfortunately I lost $5,000 recently and now I have to raise money with just $1. As you can see, I look like a real witch and I have my real witch cards that will show us a direction the price will go. And if you think that I'm kidding, watch this video till the end and be sure that I'm not. Actually, I really love Halloween spirit. The best part of it is to decorate my house with pumpkins and of course to scare my friends with spooky ghosts and zombies. And today I'll show you the best entry points how to raise money with just $1. You know guys, there are ghost hunters and today we will be money hunters. Well guys, to support me, please subscribe to my channel and give me a like. So now let's go. So look, I have only $1 on my account. I've already picked out the currency pairs. They are all different. And please watch carefully, I'll explain everything in detail. As you can see, today I'm using two indicators, moving average and RSI indicator. Please don't ask me how to choose indicators, how to set them up, because you can get all this information on my Telegram channel. The link is in the description, so let's get started. Here we can see a downtrend, but maybe this is a reversal situation and the trend will soon change to uptrend. Also, I see that the price is at the resistance level. The RSI indicator is slightly above 70, which means that the price may go down. But we don't have a down signal on the moving average indicators yet. Guys, it's really hard to make a decision right now, and I'm confused whether to open my first trade up or down. I still think the price will go down. So I opened my first trade for just $1 for 1 minute down. Let's go. Yeah guys, that's an amazing profit here. The situation wasn't good, I'd even say very scary, and still the profit is ours. Look, as I said, the price pushed from the resistance level and went down. Also the RSI indicator as soon as it is in the overbought zone. This means that the price can turn around and go down. So let's move on the next currency pair. What's going on here right now? I hope to find some interesting entries here, but it's really difficult because as you can see, this is a flat. The price is at the resistance level. It's used to be a support level. Also, we can see that the RSI indicator is moving up. This gives us a signal for a price to be higher, and the moving averages are starting to cross from the bottom to the top. So I'm going to open my second trade here, also $1 up, because I'm not so sure. Well guys, bad news. I guess I need to start making wild guesses or doing a conspiracy to make us a lot of money today. We didn't make any money, but we didn't lose either. We got $1 back. Let's see what's going on with the United States dollar and Indian rupee. So the first thing I notice here is that the price is at the resistance level. Also, I have an uptrend on this currency pair, but it could be a reversal actually. The RSI indicator shows us a downward trend and it is below 70 but above 30. But I still think we should open a trade based on technical analysis. Let's zoom in and see what the moving average indicators are showing us. And as we can see, they haven't crossed yet. and I think we will open this trade 2 minutes down again at $1 to see a really good result this time. Another great result. I knew this will happen. See, after a while the price actually dropped even lower. It's nice to make your decision according to technical analysis, not just indicators. Thanks to my which cards? I see a downtrend on the Canadian dollar and Swiss franc. We can also notice that the price is at the support level. If we look at the RSI indicator, we can see that it is the lower value of 30. This shows that the price may turn around and go up. If we look at the moving average, we can see the lines crossing each other from top to the bottom, and this means that the price may go down a little bit more. Let's change our investment to $3, and I'm going to open a trade up for 2 minutes because I expect that the price go up from the support level. Let's go! Excellent situation. See how the price flew up. Witches fly on a broomstick in the same way. Sometimes it is enough to rely on one indicator and technical analysis to get a really good result. Let's find another good entry point. Here we can see the downtrend, and I think our next trade is going to be down, because if we're in downtrend, it's better to trade down, and the other way around, if we are in an uptrend, it's better to trade up. Never trade against the trend. If we zoom out, we can see the price as a resistance level. So I think I'm going to open the trade down, because if we look at the RSI indicator, we can see that it's closer to 70. Let's change my investment and open a 1 minute down trade right now. Guys, this is really cool. See, the price actually went down after touching the resistance level. Also, I think using moving average, the price will go even lower. But let's go to the British pound and the Japanese yen. So here we see a quite good uptrend, but if we zoom in, we can see that the price is at the resistance level right now, and I think it's going to drop the next minute. Let's take a look at the other indicators. Moving averages are not crossing yet. The RSI is moving from the top to the bottom, which also gives us a signal that the price will go down. Let's change my investment and open a 1 minute trade down. Let's go! Good job, guys! As we can see, the price has gone down, and I think we will open another trade here, but going up. If we zoom in, we can see that the moving averages cross each other over the downside. But, you know, for me, it's not enough to make a decision from only one indicator. If we will look at the RSI indicator, we can see that it's heading up from 30. So, my next trade will be up $20 here. Wow, guys, we won again. My balance is now $38, but that's still very small for me. Today I want to increase my balance by 1,000 times my deposit. So let's move on. We're like zombies today. I want money. I want my money. My cards. Help me. I see a really scary entry point here. I'm 100% sure this trade will close with a profit. Look, we have a downtrend here. As we can see, the moving averages have crossed each other from the top to the bottom, which give us a signal to downtrend. I'm changing my investment and opening a trade down right now. Wow, it's great. Our winnings are getting bigger and bigger every time. So, let's move on to our third currency pair, the United States dollars and Indian rupee again. So, as we can see, the price is starting to gradually decline. the uptrend is changing to a downtrend. Now the price is at the support level and the moving averages are crossing each other from top to bottom, but I think the price can turn around and go up. If we look at the RSI indicator, it's in the oversold zone around 30 mark. I really think that the price will go up, but I think that 1 minute will not be enough to see a really good result. Let's change the time and open a 2 minutes up trade right now. Let's go! Alright guys, great move up, great result. Let's continue on another currency pair. Wow, what a fantastic move down we're seeing. The price is breaking all the levels on its way and going lower and lower. I think there should be a small reversal soon, because the RSI indicator is at oversold level. Let's check the other time frames. The 5-minute chart also shows a very strong downtrend, with all indicators in the oversold zone. Let's check the 50-minute chart to make sure we are going to open the trade up. Oh guys, I'm really getting uncomfortable and scared about this situation. All the support levels are broken, the RSI is even near the 30 mark. It's unbelievable, it's really hard to make decisions in today's trading session. Let's go back to the 1 minute time frame and open the trade. As we can see, the RSI has changed its direction a little bit and starting to move up. Let's change the investment amount to $100 and change the trade time to 1 minute. But I still think that the price will continue to move down because all levels are broken, and I will try to open a trade down. Wow guys, it's unbelievable. Remember, I told you earlier today that if the trend is down, it's better to open a trade down. Here we see a downtrend, and if we zoom in, we will notice that the moving averages have crossed. This gives us a signal to go down. The RSI indicator is at the 30 mark. This indicates that the price may go up. I change investments and open a trade up because the price is at the support level. Great guys, another trade closed with a profit. Let's switch to another currency pair. And so here we see an uptrend. And guys, I don't see a good entry point here. Let's choose stocks. So here we have an uptrend. If we zoom in, we will see that the moving averages cross each other from the bottom up, which give a signal for growth. I change my investments and open a trade up. Super guys! On the other hand, it was expected. Remember, if the trend is upward, then we open the trade up too. Don't forget about this. Let's try to move into stocks and find some good entry point there. So here we see not the best situation. Today it's especially difficult to find really good entry points. Okay, if we zoom in, we can see that the moving averages are crossing each other from the bottom to the top. This is a signal for the price to go higher. The RSI hasn't yet reached the 70 mark, so here we see not the best situation. Today it's especially difficult to find really good entry points. Okay, if we zoom in, we can see that the moving averages are crossing each other from the bottom to the top. This is a signal for the price to go higher. The RSI hasn't yet reached the 70 mark, so I think we can open a trade up $750 for 1 minute. Let's go! That's an awesome result. I've already got over $1,000 in my account. See, I started with just $1 and now I have a pretty good balance. Do you want to do the same? You can check out my channel and the results of my trading session with my subscribers. If you want to profit really easily, just follow the link in the description. In the meantime, I want to fly further and make the next trade, as now I can invest much more money and make more profit. So, here we can see that the price is at the support level. We can also see that the RSI indicator is between 70 and 30. That's not bad, but I think price will go up. Let's change the investment amount and open the trade right now. Up. Wow guys, nice green candle, great result and great entry point. On this currency pair, we can see that the moving averages are crossing each other from bottom to top. I think my next trade will be here. I want to open an up trade for 1 minute because my card suggests that the next candle will be green. Let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm kind of freaking out, to be honest. I thought we were going to lose all our money right now because this was a really dangerous moment. Let's open the last trade of the day and I think that will be enough. Okay guys, here we see that there's been a reversal and the trend is down on this currency pair. But I see that the moving averages are starting to cross. And this gives us a signal to uptrend. We can also see that the RSI indicator is moving up from 30. And guys, I want to open a 1 minute up trade on all my investments. Let's go! Alright guys, that's a nice profit. What do you think? And you see, I have managed to make over $5,000, having started with just $1. Guys, I believe in you, and if I can do this, you can do this too. So right now, go to the description and get access to my Telegram channel where I share all the best useful information about trading and binary options. I promise that you'll become financially independent very quickly. So don't waste your time, and I'll wish you a good luck and happy Halloween. See you in the next video. Bye bye.